My name's Glenda, I'm 54 years old. I had been doing hospitality for the majority of my life and I felt I needed a change because I'm not getting any younger and the body was starting to wear out. I had to step back. I just could not physically keep going the way I was going. And then I found myself looking for employment again. Through my job provider, I was put onto this wonderful program, CTA course.
The Career Transition Assistance Program is for mature age job seekers, aged 45 years and over. It's designed to give confidence and skills to help customers to be competitive in today's job market.
I felt like I was with people that were like me. We're in that same age group. We really gelled through the CTA course. I was able to find out how to sell myself again. The interviewing process, resume writing, where to find jobs. There's a hidden market out there we never knew of.
Business advisors come into our courses. We do mock interviews and they let them know what employers are looking for and what's sort of out there at the moment.
This course, the CTA course, sort of enlightened us all of where we needed to go. I felt that CTA helped me realise that I had really good people skills and a good judge of character, and they sort of enhanced that for me.
We have a lot of talented and very experienced trainers delivering the courses across those regions.
No answer was wrong. It was such a positive vibe. It was a joy I couldn't wait to get here. Thanks to a wonderful resume, it put me in great stead for a call centre role, which is totally out of where I thought I could go. I still pinch myself every day and I keep telling my manager, from my background to where I am now, it's like I only had a year 12 education and I can still do things. I'm still valuable. Step out of that comfort zone. Learn more about yourself through these CTA programs. If you can get to one, do it. Highly recommend it. You can still teach old dogs new tricks.
Okay.